What's up, guys? So today I'm rebuilding with Madrid for the 26-27 season. So right now I'm gonna switch, and as you know, the new players that Jose Mourinho and whoever it is, I forgot his name, but yeah, I'm gonna put some players in, and somehow Trent's injured, so yeah. Diomande is gonna go there at right wing. As you know, Vinny Jr. hasn't signed his contract yet, and it's been said that Arsenal do want him, so he's not in the team. And I'm gonna put Mbappe at left wing until Rodrigo's back, and Rodrigo will go at left wing, and Dumfries at right back until Trent is back from injury for some reason. It's just crazy because Real Madrid are actually cooking this season with their transfers. Alright, now I'm done. Alright. 5 million, 6 million. I'm picking 6 million. Damn, first game for Bayern. That's crazy. I think it skipped, but we won 3-2. But this can be tied 1-1. Okay, Osasuna, I mean, we will we won 2-0, and never mind. I'm gonna check my emails real quick. Chouameni has gotten 1+ overall, which is a good thing. Alright. Now I'm gonna keep going. Liverpool asking for Rudiger. Crazy. Player of the match is Jude Bellingham. Villarreal. Damn, that's kind of an easy game. Oh damn, 1-1. Diomande MVP. I mean player of the match. Damn. The Champions League is starting. Jose Mourinho has got in there his first manager of the month. Alright. Trent is back from injury, so I'm gonna put him back in, and I'm gonna put Dumfries in the bench, and Konate will be starting. I don't know why Kokare is there. But before I do that, I'm gonna do some super subs. Okay, now I'm gonna put him in. Silva will not be starting, bro. 83. He does not have a chance to start unless something happens. We win 1-0. Liverpool in the Champions League, that's crazy. But we're still gonna win. Damn, 2-2. That's alright. So far, we have not lost a single game, and we win this game 2-0. it's looking like Jose Mourinho is actually a special one. Celtic in the Champions League. Damn, 3-0, that was an easy game. We went 2-1 versus Rio. Now we're versing Alves. Damn. And we win 2-0, which is good. We're in Monaco. Damn. That's easy. 2-0, that's good. So far, we haven't lost a single game. It's either we won it or tied it, which is a good thing. We lost 2-1 to Espanyol. Yeah, I jinxed it. Reversing Getafe, if that's how you say it. We win 1-0. But we're versing Madrid now. And we... Yep, I knew this was gonna happen. So some of my players are tired because they're fireworks, but the Champions League has started officially, which is kind of the one we've all been thinking that they were gonna, which is the one that we all thought, think that we're gonna win. But I don't know if we're gonna win it or not. Damn, our whole team's tired. Looks like Silva's gonna be starting. John Laney and center back. That's pretty much it. Damn. Okay. Damn. We're second in the league by 2 points. And Barcelona's in first. Will it stay like that or will we go back up? We went 2-0 in the Champions League versus Madrid. Now we're facing Sporting. And we went 2-1. I don't know how to say that name, but we win 3-1. That's good. So far, I think that was the only game we lost. But now we're facing Barcelona. It's going to be a tough game. And we tie it 2-2. That's not bad. Because usually we lose all the games, so that means we came back. Versus Real Betis. That's pretty easy. Yep, we went 3-2. Supercopa semi-final, I think. We tied 1-1. But I still won it, and now we're versing Barcelona in the Supercopa final. And damn, we went 4-0, we went Supercopa. As you can see on the side. Copa de España, we tied 1-1, and but we still win it. We win 2-1. So far, it's looking like Jose Mourinho is actually doing good. Real Madrid won 1-0. Barcelona just might be good, but who knows? We went 2-1 versus Getafe. I want to replace Fred right now. Aston Villa, we went 2-1 in the Champions League. We went 3-0, damn. It's kind of crazy. Now we're versing Levante, which is easy, very easy. 4-1, I knew it. Okay. Celta, we win, tie 1-1. Atletico Madrid is also a great team. In the semifinals of the Copa de España too, We tie at 1-1, but we still win. We win 1-0 versus Levante. Now we're versus Sevilla, which it's now February. When I started, I'm pretty sure it was August. Now it's February. Alright, we're back in La Liga. Win 3-0, damn. We're doing Manchester City in the final of the Champions League, and we lose 1-0. At least we were a runner-up. And the season ends, we were in second place of the league by 2 points, which is crazy. That was a robbery. I don't know how. We won the Supercopa, we won the Copa de España, made it to the group stage of that preseason tournament, and we were runner-up of the UEFA Champions League. Alright, now I'm on the season. But I think Jose Mourinho's staying for another season.